To enable two-step verification on the Oduwapay app, follow these steps. 1. Open the Oduwapay app on your device and log into your account. 2. Tap on the menu icon on the top left corner of the screen. 3. Select Security from the menu options. 4. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication. 5. Choose your preferred method of verification, either SMS or Google Authenticator. 6. If you select SMS, enter your phone number and tap on Send Code. You will receive a verification code via SMS, enter it in the space provided, and tap on Verify Code. 7. If you select Google Authenticator, install the Google Authenticator app on your device, and scan the QR code provided in the Oduwapay app. Enter the code generated by the Google Authenticator app in the space provided in the Oduwapay app and tap on Verify Code. 8. Once you have successfully verified your phone number or Google Authenticator app, two-step verification will be enabled for your Oduwapay account. Note, two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a code in addition to your username and password. This code is sent to your phone number or generated by the Google Authenticator app and is required to log into your account. Subscribe to Oduwa Blockchain YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.